Welcome everybody, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to set the security parameters on the Sentry wireless access keypad version 4 in 11 simple steps. Step 1. Type in your master code as follows. You hear the unit produce a sound as well as the LED turns green. Next, proceed to step 2. Enter the security parameter directory, which is 6 followed by star. You see the LED turn red. Step 3. To enable duress mode, push 1. To disable, push 0. We're going to enable. Step 4. To enable wrong codes mode, push 1. To disable, push 0. We're going to disable. Step 5. Enable or disable the anti-default. 1 is to enable, 0 is to disable. We're going to disable. Step 6. Enable or disable the panic alarm. We're going to enable, so press 1. Step 7. The mute function or the mute tones function. We're going to disable, so 0. Step 8. The tamper function. We're not going to use it, so we're going to push 0. Step 9. Sensitivity. Since we are not using the anti-tamper, we're just going to skip this. So simply just star. Step 10. To set the alarm and frequency, 0 is 433 and 1 is 403 megahertz. We're going to use 1. The double beep signifies that the settings have taken effect and the unit is now in the preset mode. You can double tap hash to take it back to the default operational mode as such. The unit will now operate on the duress mode and on the panic mode. Let's test. Panic mode. All 3 LEDs light up. There you have it. Panic mode is indeed working. Now let's test the duress mode. Remember the duress mode, you type in your password 1 digit higher. So for our user, 13796 hash. I now have access, even though I'm 1 digit higher than 13795. Thank you for watching this video.